In this part, we'll see how we can add multiple videos in a single screen. So for that, I'll drag each video clip in each track one above another. Now all the 4 videos are in 4 different tracks above each other, and I'll double click on it and reduce the size of it. I can even use transform here. So in video properties, I can simply go to transform and change it. So for example, I'll scale it to some 30%. In the same way, I'll select this. So I'll just simply go to the transform section, select it to 30% here. Again, I'll select this clip and scale it to 30%. You can just scale it as per your requirements, and there should be another video which is not visible at the moment, so I'll just move it further and you can see this video clip. I'll just select this and I'll change it to 30% as well. Now I can arrange them as I like. So now it's set. Now let's play and check out. So I hope you have understood the concept. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching.